60 more migrant workers from the Holy Land made it home today after their plane landed at the NAIA. Mostly donning white baseball caps, this latest group of OFWs received a warm reception from officials of the Migrant Worker Department. Our Sujin Kim took her team to the NAIA for this event and she found the story.
32 hotel workers, 23 caregivers, and 2 infants have been taken back to the country this afternoon. This is the 4th batch of OFWs that have been repatriated through the joint effort of different sectors of the government.
A whole of government approach. This is a wonderful synergy of forces banding together para po maiparamdam natin mabuti sa ating po mga OFWs na walang malaking problema na hindi kakayanin na tugunan ng ating pamahalaan.
Moreover, the DSWD promises cash aid among other provisions to be extended to the repatriates. One of the district directors of TESDA says,
kami naman ang bahala sa pagbibigay ng panibagong skills if they want another skills or upskilling. And hindi lang para doon sa ating mga OFWs, kundi pati sa kanilang mga dependents.
DOH Director of Health Emergency and Management Bernadette Velasco adds,
Atin din pong ipinarating sa kanila na kung sila ay nangangailangan ng medical support, kailangan nila ng consultation, kailangan po nila ng pa-hospital or mga kanilang maintenance na gamot, sasagutin na rin po ito ng ating Department of Health.
There are about 250 requests for repatriation and counting, and around 130 of them being processed right now. Some of our OFWs share their experiences.
Magugulatin na po ako. Pag nagtatrabaho na, nasa trabaho na pa ako, nagiging magugulatin na ako, makarinig lang ako ng mga tunog ng helicopters, yung mga sasakyan po ng mga sundalo na nagpapatrolya sa buong Tiberias. Iba na po yung nararamdaman ko. Hanggang sa naapektuhan na po yung pagtulog ko.
Ernesto also shares similar sentiments.
Na-experience po namin yung bombing malapit po sa amin, which is sa Golan Heights po, near Lebanon, border ng Lebanon and Israel. Very traumatic po sa amin. Masasabi ko po na nagkaroon po ako ng anxiety. Sana ho ay matulungan ho kami ng ating gobyerno na makahanap pa po ng mas safe na bansa na pwede ho namin pagtrabahuan. And nagpapasalamat po ako ng marami sa ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at sa lahat ho ng sangay.
The government continues to extend help to every OFW in need, whether in Israel, Lebanon, or here at home. Sujin Kim for The Nation.